Welcome back to Computer Science classes, Database Management System, Session 54, topic Other Primary File Organization, which comes under Chapter 8, Record Storage and Primary File Organization. So first, in this topic we learn Other Primary File Organization. So what is meant by Other Primary File Organization? The file organization assume that all records of a particular file are of the same record type. The file organizations assume that all records of a particular file are of the same record. In the most database applications, we encounter situations in which numerous types of entries are interrelated in various ways. In files of mixed records, organization will slightly vary. That will be very slightly, okay. In cases where the record size and the number of records in a file are small, B-tree structure can be used as the primary file organization. In general, any data structure that can be adapted to the characteristics of disk devices can be used as primary file organization for record placement on disk, because the primary file organization assumes that all the records be a particular file, one of the same record type. Okay, in most database application we can draw situation which numerous types of entries are interrelated in various ways. That is called other primary file organization. In files of mixed records, organizations will slightly vary. So in cases where the record size and the number of records in a file are small, B-tree structure can be used as the primary file organization. In general, any data structure that can be adapted to the characteristics of disk devices can be used as a primary file organization for record placement on disk. So this is the introduction of primary file organization. So here the other primary file organization as follows. It has two main concepts. The one is called files of mixed records. Files of mixed records. What is meant by files of mixed records? That is very important here. Files of mixed records. It contains some file, each and every file that contains the mixed records. So what is meant by files of mixed records? The file organizations we have studied so far assume that all records of a particular file are of the same record type. The file organizations we have to studied so far assume that all records of a particular file are of the same record type. The records could be for employee, projects, students, departments, but each contains records of only one type. Suppose if you are taking employee name, employee address, employee details, anything, okay, employee ID, employee salary, employee designation, project title, project name, when your project rating project, what are the backend, front end, under what software required, what are the hardware requirements per project, students, so name, date of birth, father name, mother name, address, city, state, like that. So combination, that is called departments. So departments like in which department, computer science, mathematics, biology, physics, chemistry, like so many departments are there. You take any department, but each contains records of only one type. Suppose our department is computer science department, like that will be take only one type. Okay, relationships. So what is meant by relationship means it is a relationship between two records or two entities. Among the records, relationship between among the records in various files can be represented by connection fields. Recognition by connection fields. For example, a student record can have a connecting field. So that is called major department. So whose values gives the name of the department in which the student is measuring. That's very important here. So whose values gives the name of the department in which the student is measuring. This major department field refers to a department in which should be represented by record of its own in the retrieve one of the records first. Once again I will repeat the example. Here one student is there. Student has a record, can have connecting a field measure department whose value gives the name of the department. For example, Department of Computer Science. This is called as measure department for the student in which the student is measuring. This measure department field refers to a department in which should be represented by record of its own in the retrieve one of the records first. So this is called files of mixed records. Files of mixed records. So here then we can use its connection field value to retrieve the related record in the other file. Hence relationships are implemented by logical field references among the records in distinct file. So relationships are implemented by logical field references among the records in distinct field or distinct files. Okay, file organization in object DBMS as well as legacy system such as hierarchical and network database management systems often implement relationships among the records as physical relationships realized by physical contiguity is nothing but clustering of related records or by physical pointers. Here physical pointers very important. These file organizations typically assign an area of the disk to hold records of more than one type so that records of different types can be physically clustered on disk. If a particular relationship is expected to be used very frequently, implementing the relationship physically can increase the system's efficiency at retrieving related records. Already I am taking one example, take another example. If the query to retrieve a department record and all records for a student measuring in that department is very frequent, it would be desirable to place a department record and its cluster of student records continuously on the disk in the mixed field. The concept of physical clustering of object types is used in object database management systems to store related objects together in a mixed file. To distinguish the records in a mixed file, each record has, in addition to its field values, a record type field which specifies the type record. This is typically the first field in each record and is used by the system software to determine the type of record it is about to process. Using the catalog information, the database management system can determine the fields of that record type and their sizes in order to interpret the data values in the record. So that is called as fields of mixed record. Files of mixed record. Okay, totally the files of mixed record that contains so many information. For example, take anyone, any department, anything. So each and everyone is dependent mixed records, and then records will be mixed file, and each record has to be addition to field values, record type, record field, which specifies the type of record. Okay, and then file organization in database management system that shows DBMS software implement relationship among records as a physical relationship. Okay, by physical contiguity or related records or physical pointers. Files organization will assign an area of the disk to hold records of more than one type. So here each and every records is very frequently implemented the relationship physically and increase the systems efficiently at retrieving related records. So second one, B tree other data structure. B trees or other data structures. What is meant by B tree or other data structures? Other data structures can be used for primary file organization. Other data structure can be used for primary file organization. For example, if both the record size and the number of records in a file are small, if both the record size and the number of records in a file are small, some database management system offer the option of a B tree data structure as primary file organization. In generally, any data structure that can be adapted to the tier 6 of 5 disk devices can be used as a primary file organization for record placement on disk. So this is called as B tree other data structure. So what is meant by other data structures can be used for primary file organization? You're taking any example, if both the record size and the number of records in a file are small, some database management systems often option of a B tree data structure as primary file organization. In general, any data structure that can be adapted to the Cat6 or 5 disk devices can be used as a primary file organization for record placement on disk. Totally, in B tree file organization, some database management system packages offer B tree data structure. Like it is a primary file organization that contains record size or record number, because these organizations are very smaller. So a B tree is balanced tree actually. A B tree is a balanced tree. It yields a uniform search speed regardless of the value of the search key. Record deletion does not waste space. To maintain these constraints, the algorithm for insertion and deletion becomes more complex. It's very difficult. Problems occur only when insertion is done into a node that is already full, or a deletion from the node that makes it less than half full. Means problems occur. So whenever the problems will occur in B tree, only when insertion is done into a node that is already full, or a deletion from node that makes it less than full. A B tree of order P, when used as an access structure on a key. A B tree of order P, when used as an access structure on a key field to search for records in a data file, can be defined as. So first one, each internal node in the B tree is of the form. So first one tells each internal node in the B tree of the form. Like I'll take one example, P1, KJ, PR1, P2, K2, PR2. P1, KJ, PR1, P2, K2, PR2, up to KQ minus 1, PRQ minus 1, PQ. This is the first, where Q less than is equal to P. Each PI is a tree pointer, which is a pointer to another node in the B tree. Each pre is a data PRI. Each PRI means primary data pointer, which is a pointer to the record whose search key field value is equal to KI, or to the data file block containing that record. Okay. Within each node K1, K2, KQ minus 1. So K1, K2, K minus 1, KQ minus 1. For all such key field values X in the subtree pointed at by PI, we have ki minus 1 x ki for 1 less than I, q x less than ki for I is equal to 1 and ki minus 1 less than x for I is equal to q. Then I is equal to q. Each node except the root. So because each and every node is called a computer, it's nothing but computer. Root node is nothing but topmost node of the tree is called root node. And leaf nodes are there. Finally terminate nodes are called leaf nodes. Has at least p by 2 tree pointers. The root node has at least 2 tree pointers unless it's the only node in the tree. You see, each node except the root and the leaf nodes has at least p by 2 tree pointers. The root node has at least 2 tree pointers unless it's the only node in the tree. A node with q tree pointers, q less than is equal to p, has q minus 1 search field values and hence as q minus 1 data pointers. A node with q tree pointers, q less than is equal to p, has q minus 1 search key field values and hence q minus 1 data pointers. Okay, this is an example for B tree. So all leaf nodes are at the same level. Leaf nodes have the same structures at internal nodes, except that all of their tree pointers pi are null. So like in B tree, so totally each and every node has 2. Each and every root node has 2 nodes. Suppose first one I will taking 2 boxes. One box is there in 5, another box is called link, and the second box is blank. So when the blank is fill automatically that is called as tree node pointer. When the blank is when there is no value in the boxes, so in this time that is called as tree null pointer or null tree pointer. When the variable or pointer is there, that is called a tree node pointer. So here 5 is there, 3 is there, 1 is there, 6, 9, 7, 8, like that. We take so many information related in the boxes. A B tree start with a single root node. It is always start from the root node, which is also a leaf node at level 0. The final node is called leaf node. The starting node is called root node and end node is called leaf node. Once the root node is full with p minus 1, search key values and we attempt to insert another entity in the tree. The root node splits into 2 nodes t level 1. Only the middle value is kept in the root node and the rest of the values are split evenly between the other 2 nodes. When a non-root node is full and if new entry is inserted into it, that the node is split into 2 nodes at the same level. And the middle entry is moved to the parent node along with 2 pointers to the new split nodes. If the parent node is full, it is also split. If deletion of a value causes a node to the less than half full, it is combined with its neighboring nodes, and this can also propagate all the way to the root. After numerous random insertion and deletion on a B tree, the nodes are approximately 69% full when the number of values in the tree stabilizes. So the main concept here, after numerous random insertion, suppose if you are interested to insert a node to a tree, suppose if you want to delete a node, existing node from tree. Actually, the first node or starting node is called root node and it has parent node also. So and then finally final node is called node 0 is called leaf node. So each and every leaf node has parent node. So finally all the nodes are containing the particular value. If there is no value in the node, that is called as null tree structure. Because null tree pointer, null tree structure. Fine. So after numerous random So numerous random insertion and deletion on a B tree, that the nodes are approximately 69% full when the number of values in the tree stabilizes. So this is called as B tree. Okay, fine. So today we'll class, we'll understand about other primary file organization. So other primary file organization, what is meant by other primary file organization? Next, other primary file organization as follows. One is called files of mixed records. What is meant by mixed records? And then taking one example. And then B tree, other data structure. So primary file organization. So what is meant by B tree, binary tree, and then example, nodes, root node, leaf node. Like we're taking so many different types of examples for files of mixed records and B tree other data structure. Okay, so this is a brief introduction to other primary file organization. That's very important here. Other primary file organization, files of mixed records and binary tree, B tree, other data structure is very important here, because the file organization we have studied so far assume that all records of a particular files are the same record type. The records could be for mixed number of values, and then its records will be always mixed, only one type. That is called mixed records. So in other primary organization, B tree is there. B tree is also one of the important topic for other primary file organization, because that is other primary file organization can be used for primary file organization. Example, and generally any data structure that can be adapted to the categories of 5 disk devices can be used as primary file organization for record placement on the disk. Okay, totally we learn about all the records, and we're taking so many different example, and node will be taken, and then boxes, each and every boxes will be shows how the files will be mixed, how the files will be organized in other primary file organization, and how will be mixed, and how will be exception from the others. Like so many operations are there. Finally, that each and every one operations will be performed the particular task. Okay, so we're taking any department. So suppose I'm taking any department, a value or reference, then we can use its connection field or value to retrieve the related record, or in the other file. Hence relationships are there implemented by logical field. So this is called a mixed records, because it has so many operations. File organization database object, because object is a relative file entity, as well as a legacy system such as hierarchical and network DBMS are there. So you implement relationships among records, physical relationships realized by physical continuity of related records or by physical pointers. Okay, and then file organizations typically assign an area of the disk to hold the records more than one type, so that records of different types can be physically clustered on the disk. If a particular relationship is expected to be used very frequently, implementing the relationship physically can increase system's efficiency and at retrieving related records. So that is referred for only for mixed data. So when you are using B tree other file organization, so if for taking for example, if both record size and number of records in a file are small, some DBMSs often option of a B tree data structure as file organization. Data structure as a file organization. In general, any data structure that can be adapted to the Cat6 of 5 disk devices. We take a number of disks, but particularly we take 5 disk devices. 5 disk devices can be used as a primary file organization. So that is called as primary file organization for record placement on disk. For record placement on disk. So this is the simple method of B tree other data structure, or is also called as B tree other primary file organization. So B tree other primary file organization. So this is the difference between files of mixed records and B-tree other data structures. Okay, thank you very much. I will see you in next session.